Hello my lovely juniors, this is Ashok and welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today's video, that is part 2, we are learning about the classification of industries based on the size of the industry. So in this first one is small scale industries and the medium scale industries, okay, and then large scale industries. Okay, this is the classification based on the size, small, medium and large. Okay, so in this video we are learning about this first one, small scale industries. Okay, what is mean by small scale industries, we will see now. So in small scale industries, capital investment will be less than 5 crores and it contains only small machineries. Okay, any kind of machineries, it will be very small, and then limited production and calculation of a daily customer. So I have a limited customers and I know how much I can sell per day or per month, per year. So that is in the limitation. And then less than 100 employees. In small scale industries, it will be maximum 100, 120. It will be less than only. That will be called as the small scale industries. And then very small area is required to build these industries. Later I will give you examples what are those, then you will understand like how much space we need for these industries. Next one. So we have to see the characteristics of small scale industries. What are the characteristics? Okay. First one, risk is very less because we'll be having the less investment in the, okay. Salary of the employees will be fixed. There will be fixed because there is no much growth in their industry. Otherwise, no much profit as compared to the large industries. Okay. Next, good incentives for the employees. Employees will get the good incentives based on their maybe extra work, hard work, or like maybe recognition from the management. So that will be there. And then fixed customers, the customers will be not that much how they have in the large scale industries. They will be having the fixed customers, for example tea shop, coffee shop. So they have a fixed customers who will come on a regular basis. And then capital will be average. Here capital in the sense is like when I am starting the business, how much I am keeping in it. For example, with a 2 lakh or 3 lakh, I am starting one bakery kind of thing. That will be my capital. Later, how much I can invest and how I will make the growth of company. So that will come in the later part. Then now we will see examples of small scale industries. Okay, pickle manufacturing, flour mill, rice mill, bakeries, paper bag manufacturing, water bottle manufacturing, beauty parlors, pot manufacturing, handmade chocolates and candle making. So these are the things will come under candle making. And if you also know any type of small scale industries, please do mention in the comment also, so that everyone will know and I will also know. I also want to know extra. It is not some, just like I am teaching here means doesn't mean that I know everything. So I know only 0.001% of what the technology is. So I wish you will also make interaction with the question and answers. Okay. The next chapter, that is chapter 3, we are going to learn the medium scale industries. Okay. So we'll meet soon. So till then, see you. Bye bye.